Hello everybody, today we're looking at how to use tree with Vim to document your code. Now, if you want to show all of the files recursively within all of the subdirectories within your project directory, you may struggle if you're using some sort of file browser system. For instance here, as soon as I go into the music directory, I can see the music file, but then I lose track of the other text file and the DWG file. So what I'm going to do is, that was just me using WinSCP to show the directory structure. So I'm on my Raspberry Pi, and what we'll do is we will do Vim, and then hold down Shift and colon to get the command options, and then we will do read. Read's the important bit, and then exclamation mark. And when you use the exclamation mark, you can use the Unix built-in commands. So we're going to do tree, which I've just mentioned. If you don't already have tree, you can do sudo apt-get or install tree, whichever way you need to do for your operating system. And when I do enter, there we go. We've got the top level file. We've got a subdirectory with a file inside that. And then inside the subdirectory, we've got another subdirectory. And then within that, we've got another file. So you see it's showing the full tree structure, which is exactly what we want. So if we save that now to structure.txt, and then if we do less structure, there we see we got it there. So I'm just going to copy and paste that if I can do that within Putty. And if I just open up Notepad, and then obviously you can, if you're documenting, you're putting some documentation on Stack Overflow on your website, creating it for a customer, you've then got the full structure. And obviously this is very useful if you're trying to help somebody set something up and you want to make sure they've got exactly what you've got, or if you're trying to troubleshoot. So there we go. That was tree used with Vim. So we covered tree, which is a thing which you can use without Vim. So just go there, just do tree by itself. You still got that. I just wanted to show by using read and then the exclamation mark. So within Vim, if you also wanted to do something else, you could just do read. If I wanted to list all of the files just as they are from the top ls-a, sorry, you can just run a standard Linux command, and there you go.